This is your invitation and introduction to the Professional Communication Workshop, which will enable you to create formal presentations quickly and efficiently. In meetings or places where you have to deliver on-topic responses on the run, you'll be able to drive your points home so that they stick. In future, you'll find your audiences will be impressed by your well-structured, memorable deliveries. If you have any wedding speeches, emceeing, or running community events coming up, they will be a breeze. The Professional Communication Workshops start with a sign-on at 8:45 a.m. for a 9 a.m. on the dot start, and we run until 4 p.m. The workshop's high energy, interactive and entertaining. It blends the neuroscience of speaking, giving you an understanding of the driving forces that can be utilised in any form of communication, with the practical application of techniques enabling you to deliver your message smoothly and memorably. The course content starts by dispelling the fear factors, which haunt so many, before unleashing the power of mind maps, where you'll learn the skill of creating memorable presentations quickly. This is followed by how to use the stage with your delivery and content, connecting strongly and memorably with your dopamine-charged, energized audiences. We touch on creating change through empowering evaluations, an essential skill for any workplace in this dynamic world. Finally, we encourage your dorsolateral prefrontal cortex to take a holiday, so you're relaxed in answering impromptu questions. And we look at strategies for handling tough questions from the press, or when you're needing to nail those job interview questions. Plus, you'll get lots of tips on running engaging workshops as we progress. This is what you'll take away from the workshop. I'm David Burston, the facilitator and the pitch master at the Space, the Innovation Centre in Cairns. I've worked with more than 1,000 participants in Northern Australia and Papua New Guinea, building communication skills. I've also mentored and coached the 70 TEDx JCU speakers since 2014, and I've worked with universities plus corporate community and Indigenous groups. Places are limited, and you can book on the Eventbrite page or www.confidenceunlimited.com.au. There'll be healthy, light, fresh food during the day, but bring something for lunch. Your investment is $199 and is great value. I look forward to catching up with you because at Confidence Unlimited, we love to create confident communicators quickly.